When I'm going to be moving the hardware into a different placement, I want to make sure that the holes are filled and the surface is smooth. So I use Bondo first, apply it to the hardware holes, and before it's completely dry, I scrape it back. After that, I apply some wood filler. Once the wood filler is dry, I make sure to sand it smooth. I use clear shellac to seal it or a shellac-based primer. Then I measure the hole spacing, use my punch, drill the holes, and do a final coat of paint.